The male hormone testosterone is known for supporting a man's mood, weight, muscle mass, and even sexual health. But several factors can cause men to experience a decline in this important hormone. The most common? Aging. As men get older, they produce less and less testosterone. The enzyme aromatase can also be a factor. It converts testosterone into a form of estrogen, which is necessary for male health, but in excess can inhibit testosterone. To help your clients support their youthful testosterone levels, our experts created Testosterone Elite. We started with a proprietary blend of pomegranate and cacao seed extracts that has been shown to encourage healthy levels of free and total testosterone. Then we added the flavonoid luteolin, which helps inhibit aromatase activity and promotes healthy testosterone production. And this convenient once-daily formula is both gluten-free and non-GMO. So if your clients are looking to support youthful testosterone levels, show them Testosterone Elite from Life Extension.